YouTube, TriStars Trucking. In this video, I'm just gonna go over the listing that I got. Well, this is the bill that I got from Volvo. I'm not going over I'm just going over the notes that they have here on the paper. So I'm gonna basically give you a walkthrough of what they wrote down on the paper why they come to the conclusion of solving the problem or getting the truck fixed or, you know, changing the injectors.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
I don't know if you guys can see it. It's on Cornwall Truck Maintenance. They do all type of trucks here, but they're also a Volvo dealer too. So I guess it's maybe some franchise of Volvo, I'm not sure. But anyway, they didn't do a bad job. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys the comparison between when the injector is going bad and what to look for. You know what I mean? And if this is the problem you have, if you have a hard start problem, you know what I mean? And also, if you're going to buy a Volvo truck, what you should do and make sure you aware of these stuff so that you can go straight towards these problems when you're actually going to purchase one. And I'm also going to do a video. I'm going to now do another video on what to look for when buying, especially a Volvo truck, because, you know, I own one and I go through a lot of stuff so far. So I can point out some stuff for you guys to look for while purchasing or about to purchase. You know what I mean? Not saying the trucks are bad trucks, but just look for these stuff so you can negotiate some, you know, money. Because, I mean, you can get them fixed and your truck run good, but, I mean, paying a lot of money for the truck and then still go get them fixed may cost you too much and then, you know, going the red, you know? So, I'm looking at the invoice. I now understand more about it, right? So, at the top, it says, it said sealing rings. I don't know what they said like that. And one O-ring, rubber mud. The next thing is cable tie, brake cleaner, and plug and frame screw cable tie. Okay, number 15. So I'm seeing number 15. I don't know, you guys can see it. I said number 15. I'm suggesting number 15 would be the person that worked on the truck. Maybe they have numbers in there. So the person that worked on my truck is number 15. So number 15 said, got unit into shop and checked over fuel system. Did not see any obvious signs of fuel leaking. Got into running and checked. Found that there is massive amount of air present in the fuel system. Unit will need to come apart and see how many injectors it will be needed. Will take estimate for customer on worst case for repair. Okay, anyway. Number 62, which this look like is a different guy. So number 62, start supplemental tune-up. I don't know what that is. Any mechanic know what it is? Leave it in the comment. No, well, after 62, then 63. So number 63 said, finish supplemental tune-up. See sheet for details. Strip engine down to valve cover. Remove valve cover. Rock, shift, valve, and remove injector 1, 2, and 5 are showing signs of movement. Will need 6-pack. Remove coolant and caps, clean head, surge new caps in, install new injectors, and torque rocker shift. Put coolant back in unit, program trim, and reset learned data, and clear codes. I don't remember seeing any codes. Anyway, clear code. All it need is top end adjustment and reassemble. Okay, so that means a 63 finished doing his job. No, 62, the one that said start on supplemental tune-up. Start, so I'm never finished. 63 finished supplemental tune-up. Now 62 come back to work, I'm guessing, because this is the numbers I'm looking at. 62 adjust top end, reinstall exhaust, brake, rocker, lift spring, and reinstall drape brake valve. No, with new O-ring. With new O-rings. S is on it. Air compressor, inlet pipe. Okay. Reinstall air filter housing and intake piping. start unit up and let it run for a bit. Unit run good, tied up EGR temp sensor and loose coolant pipe. Unit is good to go. Hold on there. Unit runs good. Tie up EGR temp sensor. So then tap the sensor? What that mean? Tie up EGR sensor. Anyway, then tap the sensor in the Volvo truck. That's what it says. Tie up EGR temp sensor and loose coolant pipe. Okay, unit is running good. So basically that's it. So no, because I got more papers around the back. Just share some information with you guys. That's it. Just the work that done on my truck. You know, it said ear leak in frame, rail, behind batteries, correct. Spray water and okay. So basically, my fuel tank, my air tank inside, was leaking. So they fixed it. Boot sensor is off by 5 psi. Replace as requested. They called me on it like 9 o'clock at night, and I told them, yeah, go ahead and change it. The next thing was replace fuel water separator in unit. Yeah, and that's it. Like I said, YouTube, thanks for tuning in. This is TriStar's Trucking, and in this video, I'm also gonna show you guys the bubbles. What to look for when having the hard start situation like I did, you know what I mean, before and after. So I'm gonna show you guys what is like, what to look for, what you will see, you know what I mean, and what to expect when turning key back and forth, you know what I mean, and the cost of getting this job finished. Like I said, I will leave it in the description. You guys can go ahead and down there and look and see what's going on. Thanks for tuning in. You know, this is TriStar's Trucking. Peace out. Thank you. And please remember, press the bell icon after you subscribe. I know you're gonna subscribe. So please press the bell icon so that you guys could get my latest videos when I release. You can get the notifications, so you can go ahead and tune in and be the first to leave me a comment. Thanks for leaving my likes on my video. I see that most of you guys are liking the video more. Thank you. TriStars. Peace out.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.